Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am sharing a quick Happy Mail DIY goodie idea that you guys can include in your Happy Mails. So I am starting off this project by making a couple of sequin mixes. So this first one, I'm making like a bluish green one, and I'm going to add in some little green stars, blue sequins, and then this holographic mix, as well as some blue Heidi Swap glitter. I thought all these would work really pretty together and also work with the collections that I'm using. So the easiest way that I find to transfer a sequin mix from like a bowl or something that doesn't take forever or get super duper messy is actually to just pour it into a clean coffee filter, and then that acts kind of like a funnel as well as like a pouring device. So I'm going to make another shaker mix here. This one is like a pinky purpley white one. I'm so sorry I didn't show you guys like the actual like choosing of the things. I did not realize my camera was not rolling. I'm so sorry, but you can see that it's really pretty. There's some gold in there and some kind of like hollow white purpley sequin things. They're really pretty, and you'll see, you know, throughout this video how cute they are. So I thought these were really fun, but I didn't quite make enough, so I'm going to add in some gold sequins because the mix I made was like too much for one bag but not enough really for two. So I'm going to use one of these little pink bags for my project today, and then I'm going to save the extra one and just include it in some Happy Mail as like a little shaker mix thing. So it's not a big deal. I just wound up with a little bit extra, which is totally fine. So at this point, my sequin mixes are ready to go, and I'm also going to create a couple of bags just of glitter. So I've got this blue one again, it's super pretty, and then I'm going to do one in gold as well. And I thought these would be fun to coordinate with the sequin mixes because they go and it'll be really fun. So I'm just measuring out a piece of paper. This one is by Paper Cakes. I think it's super pretty. It's from the Summer Babe collection, and I'm just using the baggie itself to determine how wide of a strip of piece of paper I need. So I'm going to repeat that for the second piece of paper, and then I have two of the little baggies that I'm going to layer like so on the piece of paper. So I'm just using them again as kind of like a measurement guide. Yeah, so I wouldn't have to actually measure because hashtag lazy. So anyway, you can see I've got the two bluishy green ones. I think they work really pretty together, and I'm going to use some Tombow Extreme tabs to hold them in place. I was thinking of using just a stapler, but I figured this way would be a little bit less messy, and the staple hopefully wouldn't like rip apart the baggie or something when my pen pal tried to remove the bag. So that's why I'm using the Tombow tabs. They work really well, they're clear, and it's fine. I'm going to use a bit of scrap paper to make like a little, I don't know, topper thingy jiggy, and I'm just gonna fold it over the top, and then, you know, use again my non-measuring method of just kind of using the item to mark how wide things need to be or whatever. And then I'm going to staple this on. This will be at the very tippy top of the first baggie, so it'll be fine. And then I'm going to repeat the same process with the pink and gold mixes. So I like how both of these coordinate, and if my pen pal wants to combine them in like one big shaker mix, they can, or if they want to use them separately, they can. I don't know, I just think it's fun to add like two little things on there, makes it like a little like pack or something. I don't know, I just thought it was really cute and really fun. And I usually don't include like a double thing of sparkly bits, so I thought that was kind of interesting and kind of different and super duper cute. Again, so I'm just adding another little topper, and then I'm going to decorate the toppers a little bit because I can't not decorate all the things. So I'm adding some washi tape to both of them, some jemmies, and then some really cute little like bobby pin type clips that I've had in my stash for forever. Yeah, so I'm just going to use them on this project. I think it's really cute, adds, you know, some different interest or whatever, decorativeness. And then of course I put little stickers on the back too because that's really fun. This one I decided to not have enough sparkle going on, so I had a little strip of the blue glitter washi tape that I've been working with this month, so I just added that on there, and I thought it kind of finished off the topper a little bit more nicely. For this pink one, I'm going to add some pink washi tape and then some of the pink glitter washi that I had also pulled for my stash this month. And these little shaker glitter packs are just about done. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I do have a whole playlist here on my channel of DIY Happy Mail goodies, like this that you can make from your stuff that you already have to include in your Happy Mail projects. So definitely check that out. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!